family is gonna wonder, who's this kid? What happened to Caleb? What happened to Caleb? Caleb, Aiden's here. Aiden's here. Look.
Caleb, Caleb.
Play with the baby.
I know.
Play with the baby. Play. Aw, what happened to the baby, Caleb?
He's so heavy. His hand got caught up in there.
Play with the baby. There he is.
There it is. No, this one.
Alpha.